Hello and welcome to another update video on Coinbase. Yeah, just a quick update. I made a few days ago a larger time frame update. So in this video, I just want to do a follow-up and I want to give you my current view of the micro patterns. This is only on the 1 hour chart. You know, if you're interested in the larger time frame, if you missed the previous video, check it out. It's only a few days old and it gives you a really good idea of what's happening on the larger time frame on the Coinbase chart. However, the patterns are not very clear at the moment. The risk here is simply that the price formed a local top in a B wave here on the 9th of October, 10th of October actually, on Friday the 10th, yeah. And then also obviously Coinbase kind of suffered, yeah, had a kind of mini crash, yeah. And now we are recovering. However, you know, the move to the upside from this August low looks extremely messy and choppy. I really don't have a very clear bullish pathway. I mean, anything is possible, but I would need a break above $382.21 to really signal a bullish comeback, let's say, and that the bulls are taking the lead and regaining control, because you know, we had quite a sharp decline from the July high, then a very choppy and slow move to the upside, which from an Elliott wave point of view looks more like a 3-wave move up, as you can see here. So we had a 3-wave move in A, then a B and a C. Classic 3-wave pattern, and this to the downside looks either like a 1 and then A, B, C and 2. We could sell off like this, or it's wave 1 and 5 waves, and this is wave 2, and we go down. But the resistance area would basically be the same. I wouldn't change it because of that one more low. Essentially, this resistance area should capture both, and the invalidation point is the 10th of October high, which formed around $405, the invalidation point for the directly bearish 1-2 setup, yeah? But already a break above $382.20 would already open the door to a larger recovery. But the thing is, because of the messy structure that we've seen, we haven't got any impulsive structures to the upside here. So the risk is just if we break higher above 382.20, while it might appear bullish, it could simply be an extension of the B wave. So it's not very clean, you know, structures are not super clean. There is a 1-2 setup to the downside, but until yesterday there was a 1-2 setup even. But with a break above the swing high from the Monday high, you know, the Monday high at $352.30, it invalidated the directly bearish 1-2 setup, and this might already be an early indication that the bears are failing. But yeah, I mean, I have to consider Bitcoin in parallel, of course. For Bitcoin, I'm also not really confirmed that we're selling off directly, but I'm pointing out what resistance is here. And overall, Bitcoin, for example, has not confirmed a bull market top to me. So I'm extremely careful with let's say I would be careful with short trades. I think they are fine because you have very clear parameters, but I see them as, let's say, less productive in a Bitcoin bull market. And I think we still are in a Bitcoin bull market. We could be close to a top, but yeah, overall the short, let's say, short trades in a bull market work less often than in a bear market, of course. So either way, you have very clear parameters here. We need to observe this resistance area in the next few sessions to see if there's a rejection to the downside. And I'll keep you updated about any changes. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, also make sure to follow our other channels. For example, our crypto channel, Morecryptoonline. And I wish you a great day. Have a great weekend. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.